GROUPHUG solar window charger. It is super easy to install and it's a stylish solar panel. It can charge all your devices with just the power of the sun. It was developed by Crystal, a New Jersey native, who in 2018 created the Brooklyn startup GROUPHUG. The GROUPHUG Windows solar charger is a perfect first step into renewable energy. Installation takes only just seconds. Simply hang it on a sunny window and you're good to go. With a built-in battery and USB, you can charge all your devices day or night.
GROUPHUG Windows Solar Charger is a designer solar panel made for people who want to be sustainable but don't know where to start. Here's how it works. You hang it in a sunny window and the sunlight charges up the battery built into the frame. Then, plug your phone directly into the charger's USB port. When the solar panel is fully charged, your phone will charge at the same rate as if it was plugged into the wall.
The solar panel has a built-in rechargeable battery. It can store energy so you can charge your devices day or night. It takes about 8 to 10 hours of direct sun to fully charge the battery. But it can also charge during partial sunlight and cloudy conditions. It can power all your personal devices. The built-in USB port can charge iPhones, Android phones, smartwatches, AirPods, and more. There is no fuss in installation at all. It includes a suction cup hook that attaches to any window. It comes in a plastic-free packaging. Because of its bamboo frame, it's super light-weighted. They are in fact a very responsible design. This design is repairable, so never throw it away. They would in fact gladly take it back and replace parts.